So, hello guys, good morning. This is Wall Street Wizard this side. So, today, just let me check the connection. So, yeah, finally we are live. So, what today we are gonna do is we are gonna do the analysis of Forex market and how the market will play along the whole day. So, So what we are gonna do is first just let's look at Euro USD. So in Euro USD, if we go for 1 hour, 1 day time frame, actually, we can see the market has been running in the downside, and it's been approximately running for uh, 100 days, 103 days approximately, or you can say approximately 100 days. So after that, yeah, definitely there had to be some reversal or some move for the upside. So after that, market made an ascending triangle. As you can see, this is the ascending triangle. And then if we go into our picture, we can clearly see that there's an ascending triangle. And after that, the market has given a breakdown on the opposite side or on the downward side. Usually what ascending triangle shows is ascending triangle usually shows whenever it is formed, it usually shows that the market is planning to go in the upside direction, but it's not always the same case that market plans to go up in the upside direction. It can even go in downward direction. For what we actually plan for the downward direction is usually when the market breaks the low that is created, which from where the ascending triangle was created. So if the market particularly breaks this side, then after that we can plan a trade for the downward side till this very point 1.00710. But above that, at whatever level the market trails, usually we plan for an upside trade. So here market has given a downside trade, tapped the sellers and then went up, and then yeah, there's some rejection level. Market has taken this as support, and after that it is just rejecting from this particular side. But yeah, definitely it is rejecting, but it is going to be going on upside or for buy side trade. We will look at 1 hour. So yeah, we can see if we take a fib retracement from this particular point. So here we can see that approximately at this level, or if we take this, maybe market is retracing till zero point 0.5 level, or after that it will show a move for upward side of till 0.618 or 786. That we need to see for the future, but particularly there's no serious trade that is available that you can take for long term or at least for a day. So after that, if we go for 30 minutes, it's the same case. 15 minutes, it's also the same case. And now we will be going for GBP USD. So in GBP USD and Euro USD, they both approximately play the same. Here also you can see that there's an ascending triangle, but in 1 day time frame you might not be able to see that much clearly. And here also the same scenario, market went down for approximately, let me tell you exact figure, for approximately 100 days, and after that market retraced itself, and after that it is particularly going to be on the upside, move on the upper side for buy side trade only. So here also it's the same case. If we remove this point, so it's given a breakout for the here. If anybody wants to plan a trade for the sell side, don't plan a trade for sell side until and unless market breaks this particular structure and then goes down till this very level. This might be your some serious level. This might be your level where you can get a particular trade. So see, here market has given a breakout over here at this very point, and then it took up the SLs of all the sellers and just rallied on the upper side. See here, you can see there's some breakout. Here we see a breakout, and after this particular breakout, we can see that market trapped all the sellers and it went up and took up all the SLs, and maybe we can plan for a trade on the upside. Here also we can take a fib retracement from this very point, fib retracement till here and till here. Market here it is also till, maybe it will go till 0.5 or 0.618. This euro USD and gbp USD approximately plays the same, but yeah, there's some difference in both of them, but there's not complete difference in both of them, as you can see. So we have got the analysis of both of these, GBP USD and Euro USD. So now we are going to see the analysis for NSG USD, that is New Zealand dollar. So here also in New Zealand dollar, oh my god, what a serious and good trades are available on New Zealand dollar side. So here you can look for what New Zealand dollar has actually done. So in 1 day time frame, you go, market here also rallied on the downward side, went down, and now it is planning to give a move on the upper side. So let's see, here we can also see a trend line like this. Maybe this plays out really very well. And what else you guys can expect is that market gives a breakout for this particular trend line on the lower side, and then it rallies up from the 0.786. So 0.786 rally on the upper side, there will definitely be a trade on lower side. Just wait for this trend line to be given a breakout, or just wait to market to at least touch this particular trend line, so that it can go on the upper side. And so here, it is all about this trade that is going on in NSG USD, and then we come for AUD USD, that is Australian dollar. So what's going on in Australian dollar is, we will go in 1 day time frame, and in 1 day time frame also, here also you can see the same uh, issue that is there. This is the case over here. Maybe you can expect the market comes down to this particular level. Market can come down to this particular level. Maybe let's see how market plays out for this particular trade. Yeah, there's a trend line coming from this particular side. We can expect it a little bit to be like this. Yeah, so clearly there's a trend line on this side, and it has shown maybe market will now rally up or do some move. But for long-term traders, there is exactly not a very trade available over here. In, yeah, there's definitely, if you even want to trade, you should look for trade on the upper side, or on the trade on the buy side, because market has rallied down to a particular level, and it might just come down to this level or take some SL and then go up. You can look for some trade on upper side of the market. And then it's here Euro JPY. In Euro JPY, see, Euro JPY and GBP JPY, they also both play approximately same. And then when we look for Euro GBP and Euro USD and GBP USD, they both also play approximately same. So here the market is actually sideways in 1 hour time frame. Market has gone in sideways pattern, and you can expect, you can see these markings, I think, and you can note down these markings if you want, and you can expect a breakout on any side of the market, and then you can play along with the market. Yeah, what my suggestion will be, that see, the market has rallied down to a very particular level, and it has, see, it rallied down from this particular level till here and till this particular point. Market rallied down till this very point. After that it went up, and then it came again on the downside. Why market came out? Let me tell you one thing. See, you guys will say that market has rallied up. why then it came down? Actually, very few every other people you meet will say that market moves in this pattern. If it goes down or if it wants to come up, it will go in this pattern. Yeah, it's very true that market goes in this pattern, but it's not always true that market just has to follow this pattern. See, market has rallied up, and then you can see that whoever might have buy from this particular point, or let me show you some marking. Whoever might have buy from this point or from this very point, ki, yeah, let's buy. Market has come down to take up all their SLs. Market has even come down to take the SLs of these guys who was sitting on this very point also. Market has rallied down to take their SL also. Ki, yeah, let me show you who the real boss over here is. So here you can see that market now has taken up the SLs of all the sell side trades, and market has already rallied down to a very particular level, and all the points have been hit. So you can expect a trade on the upper side. Let me show you some if I can give you some trade on upper side. Yeah, so basically market is here, so it is sideways only. Here the market is sideways, and if you go in 1 hour also, here also the market is completely in the sideways pattern. Yeah, you can expect a trade on the upper side if you want like this. We will be correcting this level as much as we can see. So from this very point to it is okay, and after that market is going to be, maybe we will see a reversal from this very point, point 0.5, or we will see some reversal from 0.618 or 0.786. Let's see how market plays on. Actually what XNX is showing is a trade on downside. That's not actually always true that whatever the XNX shows is trade on downside, so it will, the market will go on downside. Yeah, we can expect market to come to a certain level like 0.618 or 0.786, and after that it might go or rally up. It definitely has to rally on the upper side of the market, and after that we will be Euro JPY has been considered, and now after that we will be going for GBP JPY. Usually if you see that Euro JPY and GBP JPY, they both approximately play the exact same game, or approximately the same game. So here also it was the same scene, that market rallied down, then went up, came down to take up all the sales of the buyers over there. And if you want in Euro JPY, you can take some SLs of this very point. So after that, the market came down, rallied on the downside. Here, if you see, there's a very clear pattern of sideways market over here. See, this very point, if you want to see, there's a very clear pattern of the sideways market. So yeah, market is clearly sideways in GBP JPY also, and you can expect a trade on upside after market breaks certain levels, or maybe market is currently, it is sideways, it is complete sideways market. Oh my god, what a market, bro! What a market! Cool, very cool. So yeah, there's nothing as of trade available, or for long time. For long term, I have told you all. For long term, Euro JPY on move on the upside, GBP JPY move on the upside, and in even in NSG USG, maybe market breaks this level to take up the SL of all these buyers who entered over here at this very point till 786, and after that upward side. So all the marketers usually at this very point they are bullish, and after that if we see for USD JPY, let me show you something on 1 day time frame. In 1 day time frame, if you see, there's a clear W pattern in 1 day time frame, and you all can see this very level or this very marking from where the market has shown some reversals or some very strong bullish patterns. So yeah, here also we should be going on the upper side of the trade only. Here we can see that market is bullish, but it is actually retracing to take up the assets of all these buyers who have entered over here from here, and after that it takes the assets. You can definitely find a trade on the upper side for long term planning. And if you go for AUDJPY, that is Australian dollar slash JPY Japanese yen. So here you can clearly see that whatever the market is doing is it has come down to a certain level, and then whoever, see over here, let me show you one thing. Whatever buyers entered at this very point, market took up all their SLs and went completely on downward side. And after that, uh, it is showing it might rally up because market has fallen to very much, has fallen very much. So yeah, you guys might see some bullish pattern or something on the upper side. So this is what was about Australian dollar. And then we come for NSD JPY, NZD, NZD JPY. Here also you can see this exact same. See, euro. So this AUD JPY and NSD JPY, they both are following approximately the same pattern if you might observe. So here what you can see, here what you can see is market is planning to go on upside of the trade. And after that, if you go for Euro GBP, for Euro GBP, see Euro GBP is very good pair, but usually if you guys want to trade in Euro GBP, you guys should plan for taking higher quantities or much more lot size, because if you go for lot size of $0.01, then Euro GBP will not give you that much of profit. Guys need to increase your lot size to earn profit in Euro GBP. So what has happened in Euro GBP is the market will rallied. First market rallied up from this very point, and after that it came down till this very point, took up all the SLs of these sellers, of these buyers, and then now it is just, maybe it will rally up. We can clearly say that market is going to rally up. See, if you guys want to take some amount of risk, you can actually go for trade on upper side, and if the market wants to reverse itself or go on the downside or follow some movement on downside only, then maybe it will reverse on 0.382 or 236 or point 0.5. Okay, so this was all about Euro GBP. And then you go for XAU USD, that is gold. Gold freaking touched its all-time high and then broke up all these channels and then is reversing on the downside. Let me show you something in gold. So what you can see in gold is you need to take a fib and you need to mark it up from here till this very particular level, and you will see that gold will definitely break up this level also, and it will take up this until come till point 0.5 or 0.786 for the institutions to buy. So let me tell you one more thing. From 0.786 or particularly down from that very point, the institutions usually come in play, or they buy up at very point, because market has taken up the assets of all the buyers who might have planned for a trade from this particular point, from this particular point, or from this particular point, maybe. So yeah, that is the case over here. You can, there's not clearly very good trade at this very moment of time. And in 25 minutes to 30 minutes, London session is also going to get open, so you guys can plan a trade according to whatever I have told you. So I usually don't trade in US oil and now Here comes the mother of all, basically BTC, the 24 by 7 market. So what happened in BTC is this morning, or sorry, not this morning, yesterday night, it came a news that USA is going to take BTC as the reserve cryptocurrency. So it is going to basically make BTC was already legal in USA, but now it is going to take it as a reserve currency. Due to that, only you guys can see this rally. What a clear or serious rally this is. You can guys can see this rally. This was all just after the news came, and then everybody was like, just bullish, man. We will go for it. So what happened over here was, let me show you something in 4 hour time frame. What happened 4 hour time frame is that, let me show you 1 day time frame, I think. Yeah. So what actually happened in 1 day time frame was that there was a descending triangle, and this descending triangle. So learn first basic thing. Keep it in your mind that in whenever there's an ascending triangle in the chart, market is usually planning for a trade on upper side, but it is certainly not every time. But yeah, it is usually planning for trade on upper side. Whenever there is a descending triangle, market is usually planning for trade on downward side, but it is not always the same case. You need to analyze whether an ascending triangle is formed on the lower circuit. If an ascending triangle is on the lower circuit, then yeah, definitely market is planning for a trade on upper side. And if it is a descending triangle on the lower circuit, then also market is planning for trade on the upper side. It is not certainly always that market will go on the lower side whenever there is a descending triangle. So yeah, whatever happened, the market came to this level, whatever the level I marked, and after that was all liquidity that came into play. And after that, market has to rally up to a very particular point from where it has given a breakout. And after that breakout, the market has given a breakout. So what we can see is, this is a kind of pullback. Basically what you can see, this is a pullback, and now this pullback has come to 0.382 maybe. And yeah, there's also 100 EMA, sorry, this is 50 EMA, I think. Let me just check it out. Yeah, so there's also 50 EMA pullback or reversal that market is taking, and at 0.382. So there are 2 points of market taking a retracement from this very point on the upper side. And London session is also going to open within a half an hour. So you guys can expect a move on the upper side, or you guys can also expect the market to come till 0.618, that is 100 EMA. And after that, market plans for a trade, or the institution center takes up all their sales. Whoever is there on the long term in BTC, please always keep in mind that BTC, if you are holding it for long term, BTC always comes back to take up the SL of whoever has entered. Either it is on buy side or either it is on sell side. If you have planned a trade on buy side, BTC will definitely 110% come to take up your trade on your sell side, on your buy side. And if you are taking a trade on sell side, then also BTC will come back to take up your trade on SL on sell side also. So yeah, this was all the overall analysis of this market today and whatever is going to take or happen. So very much thank you, and please plan for subscribing my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. God bless you all. Bye.